Hi, my name is Mariano. I'm the Technical Manager for inepro Latin America. Welcome to our series of the Spider RFID Reader Frequently Asked Questions videos. In a previous video, we have explained how to use the Spider Configurator app and your smartphone to change the name or the configuration of the reader. But what happens if I need to install several readers to a fleet of multifunctional printer devices? Is there any way to change or update the firmware version, for example, all at the same time? The answer is yes, and it's called inepro Update Reader Service, and right now it's available for Ricoh multifunctional printer devices. First, the inepro RFID reader must be connected to the Ricoh MFP device. It's important to do the plugin installation and configuration process prior to be installing any other software. Then, download the Reader Update Manager installer from our website inepro.com/software. Then fill just the requested basic information and then you will be redirected to the download folder. Once the file has been downloaded, execute the installation and follow the steps of the wizard. It's very simple. By the end of the installation process, a confirmation of the local IP address and the port will be requested. It's important to select the proper adapter IP and the port in that the service can establish a communication with the Ricoh multifunctional printer devices. Bear in mind that other software such as Ricoh Streamline NX have services in that the port 8080 is used, so choose a different port and save the configuration. When the installation has finished, the reader plugin must be deployed to the multifunctional printer devices. For this, run the inepro remote embedded deployer tool included in this package. The default business server address is not required, so you can cancel this request. Now, you need to add the devices in that the plugin must be deployed. For this, click on the Add button, fill the web image credentials, and check the IM device option if you are planning to install this plugin in IM or IMC models. You can add the IP addresses manually, or you can import them using a flat text file in that each row has the IP address of each multifunctional device. Once the devices are in the device list, it's time to deploy and configure the inepro Reader plugin. Click Browse to add the plugin file. The tool will be opening the correct file location. Then select the inepro Card Reader plugin file. Check that the card reader configuration setting is enabled in the Settings menu. Then click on Deploy. The installation and configuration process will take between 5 and 10 minutes, but the best of all is that this will be executed within all the included Ricoh MFP devices at the same time. Once the plugin installation and configuration has finished, don't close the remote embedded deployer tool, please leave it open. Once the inepro Card Reader plugin has been installed and configured on each Ricoh MFP device, you must execute the Spider Update Service application on the server. With this, an icon will be displayed into the Windows history. Double-click on the icon and then the Remote Manager will be opened. The main window of the Remote Manager will be displaying all the readers connected to the Ricoh devices. From here, you will have the chance to check the serial number, the firmware version, and the actual configuration of each reader. On the other hand, you can change or modify the list and import of the update service, and you can also select the correct firmware files as well the configuration files that you want to send to the readers. Now, you need to go back to the Remote Embedded Deployer tool, go to the Devices menu, and then click on Set Reader Update API URL feature. The tool will be asking for a confirmation about the IP address of the server as well the port in that the update service is running. Click on OK. Now, all the RFID readers connected to the different Ricoh devices will be displayed into the Remote Manager window. As you can see, their serial number, the firmware version, and the configuration are displayed. The update service will be executing an automatic update every 3 hours, or you can also trigger an on-demand update using the Trigger Reader Update feature included into the Devices menu of the Remote Embedded Deployer. The update service will be now upgrading only the readers that need a new firmware version as well they have the different configuration. Now, to finish the process, do not close the Remote Manager application, just leave it minimized and then close the Remote Embedded Deployer. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to watch the rest of the Spider RFID Reader frequently asked questions that we have in our YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can always reach us on our website, or you can also contact your local inepro sales or technical representative. Hope you see you soon.